how to connect OPPO Reno 7 5G to Wi-Fi network. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, go to Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, you can see the switch button. Okay, you'll have to do is enable this. And now, you can see below the available network. If you cannot see the Wi-Fi network you want to connect, just tap the refresh button on the right side to show the Wi-Fi network. So for my example, I connect on this Wi-Fi network virus. So you can tap the virus and enter the password. And after you enter the password, tap the check button on the upper right side on your screen to connect. And okay, wait to connecting to Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully connected to this Wi-Fi network. The name is virus. And okay guys, we have successfully connect OPPO Reno 7 5G to Wi-Fi network.